Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be doing the test on the loudspeaker of the Poco F2 Pro device. So where I'll be playing one of the audio clip and I'll be testing the loudspeaker of the Poco F2 Pro phone. And if you're watching first time this channel, do subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also do check the links in description also for more details regarding the Poco F2 Pro or MIUI 12 and latest other smartphones in my channel. Even there is a links for the wallpapers as well, so try to check that links in the description for the wallpapers and other videos. So let's get started with the loudspeaker test in the Poco F2 Pro. So first thing is that the phone does only come with a single bottom facing speaker, so there is no dual speaker setup which is present in the Realme X2 Pro. So definitely I'll be doing another dedicated video comparing the dual speaker setup versus a single speaker setup in the Poco F2 Pro device. So the reason why I'm saying I'll be doing comparison, because the bottom facing speaker in the Poco F2 Pro is too loud for single speaker setup. Definitely I can feel that when I try to increase the volume. So that's why I got here the sound meter, as you can see here. So right now I'll be testing one of the audio clip which I'll be playing in the low, medium and high volume as well. So let's get started with that audio test. So first I'll be selecting with the 25% of the volume, as you can see right now with the 25%, and the sound bar is here, as you can see. So let me try to play the audio and you'll get to know how is the sound quality from the bottom facing speaker. So this with the 25% of audio. So as you can see friends, the loudspeaker in the Poco F2 Pro is very good. So definitely, usually the phone or few of the phone single facing or bottom facing speakers, they do have, I think, close to 70% of this phone volume exactly. But this phone has a very good high loudspeaker volume, even though it has got only one single bottom facing speaker. So that is the reason why I decided to do another video where I'll be comparing the dual stereo speaker setup which is present in the Realme X2 Pro versus a single bottom facing speaker in the Poco F2 Pro. So we'll get to know how is the both speakers are doing, and why I did say the speaker in the Poco F2 Pro is much like better for the single speaker setup. And for more videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So see you in the next video, and until then, bye.